how women were fasting for their partners on Karwa, and how men were doing it too. Sounded quite nice, and I loved the idea. I would do it. So some celebrated it, some questioned it, but there were also some who mocked the idea altogether. But honestly, in my understanding, fasting or not fasting was never the purpose of this whole idea or the choice that the other person made. It was only the effort, the intent that mattered. It was always about the choice, is what my understanding is. If women choose to fast out of love, if you know, it doesn't make them old fashioned or too cliche or giving or too giving, right? Or also how most women say that it's not that they do wifey duties or a girlfriend budget mindset. Who gets to decide that? Definitely not you. Decide for yourself. If you feel that, do it. Love isn't about a transaction, it's an expression. If something feels right to you, just do it. Or if it doesn't, don't do it. Because love doesn't have to make sense to everybody for it to be valid. You do you, girl. You don't have to listen to anybody. And the same goes for men. Be it a man or a woman, let's celebrate the idea and the choices. Let's acknowledge anybody who cares, shows patience and concern, presence, not out of duty, but out of choice. Somewhere we come to mistake equality for same that, right? But equality isn't about mirroring each other's gestures. It's about respecting each other's way of showing love, right? And it's about consistency. If a woman plans the date, gets a man flowers, or goes that extra mile, what's wrong with it? And why not just women? Why men? Why hide them so much? If they do something that a woman really likes, it is a responsibility of both people in the relationship, right? To keep each other happy. So, and what is wrong in trying to make the other person happy? Somebody who you really care for. So, you as a little reminder for you and me and for everybody. Equality doesn't mean holding back because of gender norms and expectations. It means showing up with the same heart, joy, and the same freedom you love, just in your own way. So chase a man if you got that have to. Plan that big surprise. Propose to them. Fast if it feels right, or don't if it doesn't. It's a choice you gotta make. Don't listen to anybody otherwise, right? Because love was never meant to be measured based on the gestures that the other person took, but by the choice that they made every single day. And that's where true equality was. See you later.